Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Then let's scroll down to localize the version, and let's keep tapping on this first option to activate the developer options. Now we can go back to the general settings and tap on additional settings. Here, let's scroll down and find the developer options. And as you can see, there we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn the option to don't keep activities. We can override force dark. We can set transparent navigation bar, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. You can always turn off the developer options if you don't want to have them in the additional settings. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. As you can see, most of the options will be inactive and not visible, and after getting back to the additional settings, you can see that the developer options will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.